Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel order on Pandabuy. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cancel your order on Pandabuy, all you gotta do is simply go to your Pandabuy account. So once you have went to your Pandabuy account, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply go to your order section. So once you're in your user section, you need to simply tap on the order, and once you have done this, you will have all the orders that you have purchased or that is in the processing speed. So simply select the order you want to cancel, and you can find the cancel button right over there. So simply tap on the option called cancel order. Once you have tapped on the cancel order section, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to simply confirm that you want to cancel this particular order. So once you have tapped on it and confirmed it, you can simply cancel order on Pandabuy. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.